Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make $20K to $50K per month with affiliate marketing. Before we start, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the bell icon to be notified for future videos. I want you to look at this email. This is an email I received from Coach Mark. He's sending me $6,300 worth of commission. I pretty much made $6,300 from a single sale. That is the power of high-ticket affiliate marketing. You're probably asking yourself, who's Coach Mark? Oh well, Coach Mark is a person that put together this amazing system. Coach Mark has been in the digital space for over 30 years. He has made millions of dollars online and has been the top affiliate earner for multiple companies. He recently put together this amazing system, which I believe is one of the best high-ticket affiliate programs out there. It is a done-for-you system, so you do not need to create any website. You don't need to have any marketing skills or make any phone calls. All you need to do is sign up for this program and pay for advertising, and Coach Mark and his team will take care of the rest for you. This option is good for people with no experience with internet marketing. It can pretty much be a fully passive source of income. You also have the option to do your own marketing. And guess what? I did not spend a dime on advertising for this particular sale. It came from one of my YouTube videos. You can make up to $15,750 commission from a single sale with this program. So if you are looking to make $20K to $50K per month with affiliate marketing, this program is for you. And do not be afraid to spend money on advertising. The people that make the most money online are the ones that spend the most on advertising. The good thing about high-ticket programs is that there is a big margin, which gives you the ability to spend on ads. Let's say I spent $5,000 on ads to generate this sale. That would still be $1,300 in profit. With this type of program, it's impossible to fail. Coach Mark also has one of the best sales team in the industry that will close all your deals for you. Pretty much your only job is to generate leads. And if you don't know how to generate leads, they can take care of that for you as well. I've been in the digital space for more than 10 years, and this is definitely one of the best systems I've come across. Click on the link below to access the program and decide this is a good fit for you. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.